It's a good question.
Public art highlights the landmarks and makes them more attractive to the community.
It's something that I can look at in my afternoon jog.
It can really add cultural value to the urban environment, and I think that's a very interesting idea. It can really begin to activate a space and give a space a personality.
Public art is important because it helps spur conversations between individuals. It gives a space, a sense of depth. What we're trying to do with our project is create community space that explores the concept of artificiality and natural elements that help create our community.